everyone, I'm Roberto.
And I'm Kat.
And we're here to show you week 3 of our beginner level bachata syllabus. So let's get right into it there. So we're going to add some other little variations to things that we've already went over on weeks 1 and 2.
Yeah, reminder, okay? What these videos are simply as a guide with teaching and learning, but really in the class, once you take it, you're going to get way more information. You're also going to be social dancing, so the actual lesson is not here, it's in the class, at the studio. So we're going to today learn 2 things: crossbody, very important transition step in any social dance. And then we're going to learn how to manipulate a follows frame to open and close it and create a new position. Once we can do that, we have many more things we can do in those positions. So we're going to start again in closed position.
All right, let's go ahead and show this. We got our hold position first, and now what we're going to do is something what we learned before in intro, which is basically a little bit of a swivel. So you all remember that. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. So now we're just adding another variation to this basic in place, where I'm going to open my partner out and basically prep them for a crossbody lead. So let's show that. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Open, up, tap. So once I finish this last tap, which is on 8, I'm going to do another little bit of an open, what we call an open break, and we go 1, 2, 3, tap. And so we use that 1 to open our partner up, and once we open them up, I can use that momentum to bring them to the other side, and that's how that crossbody is executed.
So think counterbalance, right? As they're going left with their weight follows, we're going to feel a shift to the back. So if you feel an absence of pressure, just like if you feel pressure to stay a certain way, if you feel an absence, you're going to go towards that, which would open your weight this way and then step around.
So let's show that in motion. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Open up. 5, 6, 7. Back break. And 1, 2, 3. And that's basically it. Now we're going to add another motion to this there. You all remember our swivel motion when we were doing that box step? We'll show you quickly just how that looks like. It was 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this little swivel motion that we did, as Kat likes to put it, like this little hammer on the table kind of maneuver.
Like a hammer.
Yeah. So we're basically going to do this motion, and we're going to add that into the end of our other routine. So one more time, let me show this. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Tap. 5, 6, 7, and 1. So that's what's this little hammer motion with the little swivel, with this little pivot motion we learned. So now we're going to add that onto the other sequence we just did. So watch this and show this. First we go into our hold. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Open up. 5, 6, 7. Back break. 1, 2, 3. Tap. So right here, I'm already prepping for my little swivel. Now I want to keep this hand low, and we do 1. So once we do this motion, we go into our 2. Now we're going to add another motion, which is 3, inside prep, and then tap, and then we can do a turn. Now it might be hard to see from this side, so let's go ahead and switch positions. So we were here, and I did this little hammer maneuver. 1, then 2. Now from here, I'm going to take this hand and kind of wind it up into this position here with my palm facing into her palm so I can get into this prep. So one more time, we're here. We go 1, 2, swivel that up. And now I'm ready to do that turn. 5, 6, 7, tap. Now notice that I'm bringing my hand out just a little bit because I'm going to do another maneuver, which is a hand toss. 1, 2, 3, and back into hold position there. So let's put that all together and show how that looks like. So
really quick note. So this is using momentum, right? We're dancing, it's a physical movement. So if your follows here, the reason why we're doing this is, look, watch my body, it opens. I'm naturally gonna come where next? This direction. So by opening, it's naturally gonna already use where we're going, and then of course we turn, yeah? That's why it flows as a combination.
Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, swivel. 1, 2, 3, open up. 5, 6, 7, break. 1, 2, up. Switch, prep, turn, done. Hand toss, and hold. One more time from this side. Switch over here. Here we go. 5, 6, we'll go ahead and start and hold. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, open up. 5, 6, 7, break. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, and back into hold.
So now we're gonna go ahead and show how to manipulate the follows frame. So we're already in closed position here. If you just release this hand for a second, these you should be using the palm, right? And the fingers, a combination. And all he's gonna do is press into the palm. That in turn opens my frame, not all the way, right? Just this much. So he's opening. Now, if he goes ahead and releases that, it closes it. Boom, right back. So just try this with your partner a few times. Follows, try and be sensitive to that. Okay, it shouldn't take pushing that much to do it. We're gonna combine that and use it in our open basic we did before. Ready?
Leads, just in case, I'm only putting a little bit of pressure with my palm. I'm not doing any major motion there. Just the slightest little nudge with my palm is enough for my follow to kind of feel that and know that they need to open that torso up, okay? So let's show that. Here we go. Also, we're gonna add this into the open basic that we learned in week 1, or was that week 2?
Week 2.
Week 2, yeah, there we go. All right, so let's show that. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6. This is the open basic, and 1, 2, 3, tap. Now I'm going to add the palm. 1, 2, 3, tap. So all I did was swivel my palm, put that little pressure, and I'm doing it right after 1. So that way on 2, my partner is ready to go and opened up. So it's more like a 1 and 2. So don't just start on 2. You want to prep right after 1 and transition into 2. Okay, let's show that one more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2. So let's go ahead and show that. Here we go. So we go 1 and 2, 3, tap. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3, tap. And I'm also opening myself up as well. Remember, leads, you are leading yourself, not your follow. So all I'm doing is leading my partner into that turn, but also opening up as well. For the next part of this maneuver, I want to make sure that I'm staying close to my partner there, not far away. Okay, so what are we going to do for the next part is basically continue holding hands, and we're going to do basically walking backwards. Let's show that again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. And 1, 2, 3, tap. Now from here, I'm going to release that pressure on my palm so that we can just be facing front or face to face. We go 5, 6, 7, tap. All I did was just relieve that pressure, and my follow would just naturally come back into place.
So with this one, definitely focus as a lead and follow on just moving as a unit. Your weight is going together, because as you advance, this is just the beginning of what you can do in this position. We just want to get the motion of switching down.
Cool. So now let's go ahead and put both sequences that we learned today all into one motion. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1. Tap. 5, 6, 7. Let's go to hold. 5, 6, swivel. 1, 2, open up. Break. 1, up high. Up. Like a hand. Back to hold. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, tap. 1, 2, release that palm. And now we're face to face. Now let's go ahead and show this from another side. Here we go. And hold. 5, 6, 7, swivel. 1, 2, 3, open up. Break. Hammer. Up. Turn. Like that. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. 1, 2, 3. All right, and that's it, folks. This concludes our lesson for week 3 of Beginner Series Bachata class. Don't forget to go to salsawithsylvia.com to check out our upcoming classes and register.
Always remember, you can ask your teacher for a playlist to practice at home, in the car, in the shower. Okay, also subscribe below. We'll see you in week 4. Oh my God, we graduated right now.